All right. So welcome you all to this another session of digital marketing internship program. All right. So uh, how many of you have tried doing it? Few of you have tried uh, designing new, uh, designing something new. So can you tell me, whoever has tried, can you tell me what design did you make? Did you make flyer or did you make sticker? What did you make? All those learners who have tried making some design, can you please tell me what kind of design did you make? Some whether you made some sticker or some kind of uh, flyer or something. What did you make? Okay, no problem. If you are not ready to answer, I am not going to waste time. Let's get started and let's move ahead. It's up to you. If you really try, that will be of your use. Okay, I don't have to take anything with that. If you really want to learn something, you have to try it out on your own. All right, so let's get started. And today we are going to uh, make a like um, I'll tell you how to make a this thing. What is that? A logo. All right, let's get started. So again, go to create, click on plus button. Then from here, you can either search for it or you have several options over here. Create a new logo. Okay. Usually the size of logo happens to be 500 by 500 pixels. Rest, you can take another size. Uh, Let me go for a logo. Okay. Now there are various options for what purpose you want logo. Do you want logo? Okay, so it has whatever logo you want, you can just click on it. See here, there are several logos. You can click on any one of them. So usually you should try to click on the normal one. Okay, so here it is. You have taken this logo. This is the 500 by 500 pixel uh, canvas. Okay, so here we are going to try out a logo for our business. Okay, so one thing you can do is that you can generate the logo or you can generate the design. Okay, you can describe what kind of business do you have and then click on design, generate design. So it will generate a new design for you. For example, let me say if I have a law firm. Okay, design a logo for my law firm law firm named Justice and Beyond. Justice, or let's say something else. Say, what should I name? Like Poonam and Company. Okay, let's see. Poonam and Associates, like this. Associates, Poonam and Associates, law firm. Okay, So describe what you want in the logo. If you want, you can describe it. Show minimal design logo with black and white color. Okay, let's design something. Click on generate design. So based on your inputs given above, it will generate some design for you. Okay, see here, it has designed a logo for your law firm like this. So these are the designs that they have made for you. Okay, because always a law firm should contain a balance. Okay, like this, it should always contain a balance image. Okay, so you can take this one, or what you can do, you can also search from the given results like this. These are the some of the provided results to you. If you like them, you can take them and you can make your own design. Okay, let me, I think this one is looking better, so I'll take this one. Okay, or maybe this one, any one of them you can take. So let's take both of them. Okay, on each page, one this one and another one. I want this one. Okay, also let me see if I have something else for you. I think this is it. So these are the two things that I have taken. Okay, two elements that I have taken. All right, so kindly mute yourselves. Nukola, please mute yourself. Okay, so here we have the name. So what we can do, we can change the name to Poonam. Sorry, undo. Double click, and here you can remove this and write your own firm name like Poonam and Associates. Or let's like change the name to BG and Associates, something like that. Okay, BG and Associates is something like this. We have made the name of the firm and law firm. So here I am also changing the name law firm. Okay, law firm like this. Okay, done. So this is some part, and in the background I want, let's change the color. Usually in the law firm, so notice that what kind of what is the nature of business or service that they are into. So this is a law firm, so just imagine what kind of things do you see in the law firm. So you usually see the theme colors of black and white in the law firm, not too fancy. Okay, just a minimal design logo should be there. Okay, let's change it to somewhat kind of brown or maybe gray. This is looking fine. Now if you want to still make some changes, you can make it. Okay, so BG and Associates law firm. So this is our logo. and this is it. Okay. Another type of logo is here. This is a balance. Okay. So you can change the color of the balance. That is totally up to you, like this. Okay. And you can change the color of these leaves to maybe black, like this. Okay. Either way, you can revert these changes. So like this, and here we can write uh, VK and Associates, VK and Associates law firm. Okay, like this. So you can change the color if you want, or you can leave it like this. Got it? So these are the two firm names. These are the two logos that you have prepared in just a few seconds. All right. Now, what if I want to make this logo right from the scratch? Okay. Some people were very desperate for logo designing. So let's get started. So click on add page. So this is a new page, and usually the logo happens to be in a circle. Okay, normally you, if you see some logo, okay, let's find out some logos. Let's find out some. We don't have. So in the initial phases, you might not be having any idea as to how the logo, how should I make logo, what the logo should look like. Okay, so either you can take help of Chat GPT, which is an AI tool, or you can simply search on Google or maybe Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Okay. Okay. Just like we searched this sticker, in the similar manner, we are going to search for law firm logo. Law firm logo design ideas, like this. Okay. So see here. Uh, so see here. These are some of the law design ideas, or you can say from India. Okay. Indian Indian law firm logo ideas. So it will give you some ideas from India only. Okay. So here we are. See, for justice, this balance image should always be there in your logo. Okay. See here, and see here. Not too fancy. Mind it, your logo should not look too fancy. Simple, minimal design logo should be there. Okay. How this is made, that I'll tell you. Okay. This is a mock-up. Okay. I'll tell you how to do mock-ups. Don't worry about it. So let's find out some good design, a simple design which you can also make it easily. Okay. Okay. So I think these are looking fine. This one, or maybe this one. So let's take this one. Okay. I am just opening it, and I am taking a screenshot of this particular image, as we did in the case of the sticker. While we were making the sticker, we had taken a snapshot. So in the similar manner, I am taking a snapshot of this image. All right, done. So let's copy it from here, and let's take it here. Let's take it somewhere here. Paste it. Okay. So this is an idea. Okay. So because I want it in a new design, so I have to pull it down like this. Okay. I'm just making it in the corner just for the reference purpose, because I have downloaded it just for the reference purpose. we will see this logo and make it our own logo, and you can just see how we are making it. We are going to make it. Okay. Okay. So first of all, your task should always, as I told you, some tips on how to design, how to start designing. The tips I already have told you. So again, I'm telling you that whenever you want to make, whenever you want to get started uh, making a design, be it flyer design or be it logo design, you always have to first of all decode your sample. This is a sample. Okay, sample image. So you have to first of all decode this sample image as to what are the elements that have been used in this image, or how you have to get started with the image. What are the things that you have to make in your image, okay, in your logo. So first of all, there is a circle, okay, outside circle, the brown color, and then you also have two semicircles, okay, like this, and then you have two stars over here, and then you have an image inside it, and then you have written established year, is the year of establishment, and then their name, attorney name, tagline goes here. Okay, so now let's get started. So first of all, we are going to make this outer circle, which is in brown color. Okay, let's get started. So let's take from, go to elements. From elements, take a circle. So take this one. Okay, increase the size to whatever size you want. Got it? Make it to the center. When you see these four lines, okay, these four lines, this means that now your design is in the center. So this is what we want. Okay, now let's make it of brown color. So this is black color, so I want to change this color. So click on it and let's make it brown. Okay, just like that one. If you think that this is not the same brown and I want to change the color, you can always change the color. Go to, this is gray orange. Okay, so just click on it, take the color picker and hover over this brown, and you will get the same color. Click on it and you are done. Okay, so you have got this color. So just copy this. If so, this is already there. Okay, all right, so this is the same color that is matching. Got it. Then what else do we have? We have the inner circles. Okay, inner half circles. So let's do it. Let's do it. So make a half circle. Half circle. Instead of half circle, let me write semicircle. Semicircle line. Okay, see all. So these are some of the semicircle lines that you can see. Okay, so these are the lines that you can see over here. Now what do you have to do? You have to just copy them, one of them, and mind it that it should be free for you, free to use. Okay, here is the design. Okay, let me take this one. Let me check. No, this is not fitting properly. Let me take some other one which matches properly. Let me see this one. I think this one is fine. and I have to increase the size like this. Okay, I'm putting it this way, and I am rotating it slightly. If you are not able to get it properly, then uh, first of all, let me adjust it first of all. Okay, be patient, and you might have to give more than usual time. So it is not fitting properly. Okay, no problem. Let me try this one. And duplicate it, and I am just flipping it vertically. Okay, like this. Got it? Although it is not that wide, but still we can make it. That's fine. All right, so the distance should be same. Okay, so this is done. Now what we have to do, we have to write our firm name. Okay, let's write down, take the text, and let's write the heading. Okay, and in the heading we have to write the name of our firm. So what is the name of our firm? Let's name it anything, like VK and associates. Okay, and I have to curve it, I have to make it in a curve form. So, and also first of all, let me change the color also. Okay, uh, select it, and then click on text color, and then click on this light brown color. Okay, because your background is of black color, so only the light color will suit. Once done, go to effects and go to
Am
bottom.
كملي الابتيسة.
Please mute yourselves, and then go to curve, and this is it. So you can increase or decrease the curve as per your requirement. Okay, I am fitting it over here somewhere, and first of all I want to decrease the size of the font so that it fits into this circle. Let me see. I think still I have to decrease the size to. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll move it backwards so that it spreads. Okay, like this. Just adjust it up and down so as to fit it in the inside the circle. You may have to try out 2 or 3 times in order to be perfect. Don't think that in one go you will be making a perfect design. Okay, and don't panic if you are not able to make it perfectly in one go, in one time. Okay, so be patient and try out many times. See, I am also not able to make it properly in one time. Okay, so maybe you have to try out more times. Okay, so now this is done. I'm keeping it like this only. And now what can I do? I can just copy the style. Okay, what can I do? Just click here and there is a copy style. Okay, I am copying it, and now what I have to do, just bring it here. Just a minute. Let me type the tagline also. So here is the tagline. I'll use add subheading. Okay, add subheading, and here I am going to write law firm, VK and Associates law firm, law firm. Okay, now what I will do, I will uh, copy and copy the style from here and click here, meaning that whatever is the color and whatever is the style in this text, all the style will be copied in this one also. See, the curve is also copied and the color is also copied. Whatever changes I have to make, I can make it later on. So just pull it down over here and then again go to effects. Okay, and again just move it backwards so that it can go in the reverse direction, like this. Okay, just shift it up and down wherever you feel like, and you are done. Okay, I think we need to reduce the size to 55. That's fine. This one also, let's decrease the size 55. Okay, let me, yes. Okay, now this is fine. If you still want to rotate it, you can rotate it, or what I can do, I can just click on this T and increase the spacing. So slightly spacing will be increased. Let's see. Spacing has been increased. More if you want, you can increase the space. You can increase some more space like this. See, now it has spread. Similarly, for law firm also, what I want to copy, I want this same 152 setting, 152 letter spacing in this law firm also. So just click here on the T, and you can manually type 152. Okay, so here you are. So this is spread like this. Okay, if you want more spread, you can still click on here and you can increase the spread so that it spreads throughout the semicircle. See, now this is looking fine. Okay, and similarly, law firm also, I want to increase the spacing so that it spreads throughout the semicircle like this. Okay, now what I can do, now if this is done, this is done. Okay, two things are done. Now another thing what I need to do is to add some stars. Okay, let's go to elements back again and find out stars. Star, only star, not stars. So here we are, we have got the star shape. So what I can do, I can put it here. I can decrease the size slightly and I can put it over here. Okay. And what you can do, you can change the color of the star because it is not appearing properly. So you can change the color of the star to brown. Okay, like this. And similar, let's see if it is fine, if it is looking fine or not. Okay, to some extent it is fine. Okay. And what else can we do? Let me check. Uh, or let's make it white color. Okay. This is visible properly. Now, what you can do, you can just duplicate it and take it to the other end also. See, like this. Okay, like this. So you have taken it to the other side also. Now, another thing is that we have to write inside, first of all, we have to take the image. So law firm image. So we can type law. Okay, so here we are. Okay, we have these images because we have typed in law firm. So either you can take either of these images, or if you want, if you want photos, then you can take photos also. So here, this is the most suitable and the most matching type of image, this one or this one. Okay, or maybe this one also. So we'll mix and match. So let me take this one first and reduce the size, uh, like this. Okay, take it in the center and let's make it of some other color, maybe black, so that it looks fine. Okay, we have done this. And second thing is that we have to take some hammer image also. So this is a hammer image. So I can take this one. I think this one is looking fine. Okay, so let's remove this image and take this one. Or if you want to see more images like this, then you just click on these three dots and see, you can click on see more images like this. So you can see here. Okay, you will find more images like this. So I don't think that not much images are matching our requirement. So let me try out this one. This one is looking fine. Okay, this one is looking fine. So adjust it in the center. And now what you can do, you can uh, just enter the text. So click here on the text, and now this time use add little bit of body text. Okay, first of all, here pull it down so that you can clearly see what you are writing. Remove this text and write down established, ESTD, established. Okay, this one. And this time now duplicate it. Oh, just a minute. Then duplicate it, and this time you have to write it, remove this and write it, the year, say 2010, suppose. Okay, now place this established image over here in the center. Okay, like this, and 2010 on the other end. although you have to slightly decrease the font size of established. Okay, and this one also 56, like this. Got it? This stars should always be in the center of your logo. Okay, center, that means this is your semicircles and these stars should always appear on the in the center. Let me slightly drag it to the right, like this. Okay. Let me see if I can drag it left. Okay. All right. So this is done and this is established. So just just adjust it according to your requirements. Okay. This is the center and now that's perfect. Fine. So this is done and now you can see that your logo appears exactly what you had copied. Okay. Let's see if we have left anything else. Okay, so I think there are some stars also, okay, inside it, some stars around, circle stars. Mm. So let's copy some stars. Type what you want in the exact manner. Stars in circle shape. Let's see what we get. So here it is. We are getting the exact things what we asked for. So let me check what color do we have. Okay, gray color, brown color. So you can choose this one. Okay, click here. Uh, let me see if it suits. First of all, I have to try it out in order to make sure that it is suiting. Let me fit it inside it. Okay, like this. Okay, if you think that this is looking fine, so that's okay. If you think you need to change it, you can always change it. Okay, let me find out some other color. So this is plain black color and I am changing this to brown color. Okay, light brown color. Okay, this is fine. So let's reduce the size a little bit and adjust it. Let me slightly adjust it more. Better. Okay, like this. So you can see this design has been created. And one more thing is left, that you have to inside this uh, inside this design, you have to have another black circle. Okay, so let's take shape. That means inside color is black, so how to do that black color? So let's take elements and then take a circle, shapes, and then you can take the circle. Circle. Okay, click on it and you are done. First of all, increase the size so as to fit the circle this way. Okay, this way, slightly this way. Okay, All right. Now just change the color to black. Black. Okay. Now what you have to do, just right click from your mouse, layers, and click on send to backwards, send backwards. So the all the things, or you can say, let me undo it, and then let me say send to back. Uh, just a minute. I think I have to adjust it the other way. Let's take it outside and bring this also outside. I have to pull all the elements first of all outside, like this and this and this. Let's group them and bring it outside first of all. Okay, I'm bringing all the elements outside, and then I have to just a minute. I have to now bring it here. Okay, like this. Done. Once you are done with this, let's make some other thing also. Okay, this is done, and now you can adjust these figures. So I am, because the black and black will not match, this figure image will not be visible, so I have to make it in brown color. Okay, now just drag it on the center like this. Now it is not visible, so just right click on your uh, from your mouse, layers, and bring to front. Okay, so it has come in the front. Similarly, just drag everything, place it on its right place. So this one also, just what you have to do, you have to right click and bring it to front. Okay, so just adjust it slightly inwards, drag it inwards so as to adjust properly. Okay, this is also done, and now the final thing is that established. So just pull it down and adjust it over here. This is not visible. Again, right click, layers, and bring. Achha, this is on of black color now, so I have to change the color. So go to fonts. Okay, go to fonts and change the font color to brown so that it is visible to you. Okay, so if it is hiding under the stars, so you can decrease the font size like this. I think this is fine. Okay, yes, let me ungroup it one time, and I want to adjust it to the left like like this. Okay, same here. Okay, all right, so this is the thing that we have done. Okay, so this is how your logo has been prepared. And just background, for background, just click on the background color and make it black. See, your design is ready. Okay. Now you might also have to make slight changes here and there. That adjustments you can make on your own. Now you can see here, we copied, what we copied is exactly the same over here. If you want to change the font style, you can always change the font. Okay. For example, I want to change the font to, let me see. Uh, let me change to Poppins. Poppins. Okay. Okay. This is looking fine. And this one also. Let's change to Poppins. Okay, fine. So this means that the both the things have come in order. Okay. So this is how you can make your designs. If you want to increase the size or decrease the size of the star, you can do it on your own. Okay. Like this. You can, because you want both the stars to be of same color, so you should copy the same star. Okay, but I'm undoing it for now because these stars should be of small color only. Like this. I hope you have got an idea of how to make a design, and you can see here that your design that you copied was same. Okay. Let me first of all do one final thing. Like this. Okay. Okay. Now that is looking fine, I think. Okay. Now what do you have to do? Just select everything from here. Okay. So that every element inside this is selected. Sorry. This is also, this also got selected. So I want to keep it aside like this for a moment and just select this one. Once you are done, group it. Okay. So that uh, so that whenever you move it, all the elements are moving together. See, this is moving together. These are not scattered here and there. Nothing is going here and there. Okay. Like this. So you can see here what we have designed, and you can see here what you copied. Okay. Both the designs are in front of you. You can see. And one more thing, if you want to, change the image, or maybe let me first of all change the image, because this is not appealing. Just a minute. Let change it to, first of all, let me ungroup it. Okay. Then I am taking this image and If you are not sure that whether you are clicking on the right element or not, then go to layers and show all layers. Okay. And from the left hand side, just select this image. Okay, this image, because I want to make changes in this image. So just click it so that you are on the right image. So let me make it white and see. Yes. So white color is slightly appearing better. Okay. And if you are still not happy with it, you can always delete this image. Go to, first of all, show all layers, this one, click it and delete it. But before deleting, or you can delete it and then you can choose the right image. Okay. uh, what do I want to search? I want to search law firm balance image. Okay. Law firm balance image means the balance which is used in the law, court of law, instead of courtroom. Courtroom balance image, like this. So see, you have got some more images like this, courtroom balance images. So you have got these images. Let's find out all of them, see all. And you can select any image of your own choice. Check out what image do you like. Okay, let me find out. uh, let me take this image. Okay, I'm taking this image and I'm changing the color black to brown. Okay, first is this thing, and the second thing I want to take is I want to take a hammer also. Okay, let me take a hammer also, this hammer. Okay, so I have taken this hammer image also, and let me change the color of this hammer from this brown to somewhat uh, okay, let's okay, let's take it like this only. Okay, just reduce the size of the image. Okay, take it in the center and now flip it. Okay, flip it. First of all, flip it horizontally so that the face is reversed. Okay, and now just rotate it slightly like this. Okay, like this. And then you take the beam image and just send this to backwards. I am sending this hammer image to backwards. Backwards means that it will go behind the this balance image. Okay, like this. Okay, let's not make too complicated. Let's delete the hammer image first of all, and just let me keep this one only. Let's not make it too complicated. Okay. Okay. So this is established in the year 2010. Okay, I think this is looking fine. And also let me change the color slightly of the background. So let me click on the background, click on background color, and then I am clicking here, take the color picker and just hover over this image. Okay, so everything has changed. Okay, so see, your background has become of the same brown color. Now just group it like this, and now you can bring it to center. Okay, like this. Okay, if you still want to make some changes, then if you want to change the black color to this dark brown, you can change it, but let's leave it. So this is your design that you have made. Okay, uh, this is just a rough idea. You still have to make some changes here and there to align it properly. Okay, I am decreasing the size, or let me show you how it will look like. Just a second. Okay, so this is how the your final design is looking like. Okay, if you think you need to make some changes here and there, you can still make changes. Okay, if you think that this font is looking too spread or too far from each other, then you can make some changes. Okay, so you can do it accordingly. I hope you have got an idea of how to make a logo. Is it clear to you? Now I want to know from you, is it clear to you? Have you understood how to make a logo from the templates also, and from scratch also? Okay, still it is not the finished version. You have to make slight changes here and there. Okay, and then you have to finalize it before giving it to someone. Clear? So now we have also completed the logo designing part. So this way only you have to design a logo. But mind it, you cannot copy a logo of anybody else and use it in the same way. Okay, because logo is the identity of the business, right? So every business has its own identity, right? So just think of any brand that you know from anything like Reliance or maybe Tata, okay, or maybe any big company. You just recognize them by their logo, like Adidas, Nike, okay. So you recognize them by their logos. Logo can be in the form of name, it can be in the form of symbol, it can be in the form of like this name and symbol together, it can be in any form. Okay, so this is your logo designing class. So this comes to an end of logo designing. In the next class I'll be covering up a reel, how to design a reel, how to make a reel, and how to edit a reel. Okay, so you can in Canva only. Okay, we'll discuss it, how to design and edit a reel in Canva. Got it? So I hope things are clear to you. So thank you for now, and meet you in the next class. Okay, thank you.